Hi, everybody. I wanted to let you know I've been enjoying your work and that you're submitting in Health 219. Your discussion boards this week were really good. I'm enjoying how you are engaging with each other and how you're sharing information about your own research and your own topic with each other. The reason you are in the same discussion boards all semester is so that you can do exactly what you're doing. And I appreciate that you're making the effort to make your conversations in the discussion board very meaningful. It helps each of you learn. We only have a 3 credit course to cover women's health, and of course, we cannot cover everything. So, by you sharing with each other, you actually are increasing the amount of information you're learning in the class. So, I want to talk a little bit about Unit 3. Unit 3 is only 1 week long, and I'll talk a little bit about why it's so short in a few seconds. In Unit 3, we're looking at only two social determinants of health, and those two are social context, which covers a lot of topics, and access to services and care. So as you are going through the lessons in this unit, I believe one lesson is very general. So you get a basic understanding of what those two social determinants of health are. And then the second part of it is giving you an opportunity to really focus some of your time on your specific topic. And I do that because there's a limited amount of time that you can actually read and research. And hopefully that gives you some of your regular reading time for the class to actually spend in your topic, which is very important because we're coming to the end of the semester. So because the unit is only 1 week long, you have your first discussion board post on Tuesday, the 23rd. You have your second discussion board post on Thursday, the 25th. And then your third reflection is due the same time as all the other ones on this weekend. That's Unit 3 is 1 week. After that, there's only 2 weeks left in the semester. I don't know if you can believe it, but this is going so fast. So during the 6th week of the semester, which is the beginning of March, you have that entire week to pull together your thoughts, your research, and your work to create your project. I do not allow written papers in this class. You do enough of those. I wanted to make the projects more meaningful. But 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 creating the kind of projects you're creating takes time, and I know that, and that's why you have an entire week devoted to that. So whether you're doing a podcast, a presentation via PowerPoint, a short video, a brochure, whatever it is you're doing, I want you to take that week to pull together everything. Make sure you look at the scoring rubric on how you should pull together your project, and I will post a separate video just on that, going over what should be happening in your project, and that will post sometime this upcoming week. The last week of the semester during Unit 4, which lasts actually week 6 and 7 because it's on your project, there's one extra credit assignment in Unit 4, and Unit 4 is where you post your project to your assigned discussion board, and then you have to review each other's projects, score each other's projects, and then there's a final reflection. So just to summarize what we're doing in the end of the semester is this week coming up in Unit 3, we're talking about social determinants of health, social context, and access. During the 6th week, you are to spend your time pulling together your project so you can post it by the end of that week. And then finally, in the last week, you are reviewing each other's projects, hopefully learning a lot of information from each other. And, um, and then your final reflection happens at the very end of the week. Again, we're more than halfway through. I appreciate the hard work you're doing. I am enjoying reading what you're doing, and I am very much looking forward to your discussion boards this week and to the projects that you're creating for the end of the semester. Keep up the good work, and I look forward to seeing more of what you're submitting.